Hi there, my name's Daniel, and I'm here today to talk to you about the nasal mask. The nasal mask is just one of the many choices you can use for a mask in conjunction with your CPAP machine in order to get the nice rest that you deserve. I'm here today to talk to you about a basic overview of the mask, the pros and the cons of this mask choice. The nasal mask is just one of the alternatives to the full face mask. It has a smaller surface area, so it's a little bit smaller than the full face mask. It doesn't take up as much space, and for some people, they do find it a little bit more comfortable than the full face. If you're not a snorer, we do recommend the nasal mask because it is a little bit more comfortable, it does take up little space, and for people who do suffer claustrophobia, it is a little bit more relaxing. The headgear as well is far more sturdy, and it has a swivel at the elbow, so when you're rotating in the middle of the night, the mask's hose is going to rotate with you so that you can be in the most comfortable position while you're resting during the night. There are a couple of cons with this mask choice, however. The headgear can stretch, just like the full face mask, so we do recommend the same method, removing one of the bottom clips while you're putting on and taking off the mask. There is that chance of nasal blockage as well, as the mask is only covering your nose and you can only breathe in and out from one spot with the right air pressure. If there is any sort of nasal blockage, it's going to make it a lot more difficult to breathe. Because there's no mask covering on the mouth, there is always that chance that your mouth will drop open in the middle of the night and there will be leakage of pressure. Those cons out of the way, we do recommend this mask for people who don't suffer snoring, who are easily able to breathe through their nose, and whose mouths don't drop open in the middle of the night. Using the nasal mask is a no-brainer in this regard. We do highly recommend it. If you are a snorer though, go to the full face. If you're comfortable wearing a nasal, you like the small surface area, you don't drop your mouth in the middle of the night and have leakage of pressure, we do recommend the nasal mask. And this mask does come as an option in our standard package price. No hidden fees, no extra payments. The mask comes included in our standard package price. And if you're interested in making a purchase today, you can check out the link below, which will give you a $50 discount off our standard package price. Once again, this has been Daniel from CPAP Solutions Australia. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.